Look, starting a business is an absolute thrill, but let's be totally honest for a second. Those initial formation costs can sometimes feel like death by 1,000 cuts. Every single dollar you spend on administrative setup is a dollar you aren't spending on your actual product, or domain hosting, or your initial inventory. Maximizing your budget right at the formation stage is absolutely crucial for your long-term survival. So today, we're exclusively breaking down the exact active discounts and promo strategies for Northwest Registered Agent right now in May 2026. We're cutting through the noise, tossing out the outdated advice, and focusing strictly on the actionable deals you can use today to keep that vital startup capital right where it belongs, in your own pocket.
Okay, let's break down this paradigm shift. It's pretty simple. Northwest operates with high transparency, but they reward specific referral pathways rather than just giving you a standard promo box. Think about why a premium brand would do this. They don't want to devalue their core offering by splashing generic discount codes all over the open internet. Instead, they engineer their biggest, best discounts straight into the web links of their trusted partners. By rewarding loyal partner networks, they make sure they get quality referrals while totally protecting their brand value. So the primary discount isn't a code you type, it's the invisible digital pathway you take to get to their website in the first place.
Kicking things off with part 1, cracking the coupon code and how Northwest's pricing actually works.
To really grasp the value of these deals, we gotta first look at what happens if you just wander right up to Northwest's digital front door without any kind of strategy. If you go directly to the standard Northwest homepage right now without using a referral link, their baseline LLC formation fee sits right at a cool $100. That's their premium direct-to-consumer retail pricing. Now that $100 covers their administrative legwork to legally prepare and process your business documents. It's a great service, absolutely. But as a savvy founder, paying the full retail sticker price is exactly what we are going to avoid today.
But wait, that $100, it doesn't even tell the whole story. You've got to remember that this baseline fee does not include your mandatory state filing fee, which completely depends on where you're registering your business. Every single state charges its own non-negotiable tax just to legally recognize your entity and process the paperwork. Like forming an LLC in Kentucky might only cost you a super affordable $40 in state fees, but a state like Massachusetts, they'll hit you with a whopping $500 processing fee right out of the gate. You simply can't escape these state fees, which is exactly why saving money on the agency side with Northwest is so incredibly vital for your initial budget.
All right, let's move right into Section 2, the Partner Link Discount, also known as the $39 deal.
This is where the magic happens. By using a specific authorized partner link, that $100 direct consumer formation fee instantly plummets to a highly competitive $39. Seriously, an automatic 60% reduction. Think of this as hidden wholesale pricing that the average person simply doesn't know exists. It's applied seamlessly to your cart just by entering their ecosystem through the right digital pathway, which completely bypasses the need to hunt for a traditional typed code.
Okay, so what does $39 actually get you? Let's break it down, because it gives you immediate operational value right out of the gate. First, it covers the complete preparation and state filing of your articles of organization, which, is the foundational legal document required to officially birth your company. Second, you get secure digital storage for all your critical corporate documents. And honestly, the most impressive part, it includes one completely free year of Northwest Premium Registered Agent service. For anyone new to this, a registered agent is a legal necessity required by the state to receive official legal and tax correspondence on your behalf during normal business hours.
Let's pause on that last point for a second, because unlocking that long-term value is huge. By getting that first year of registered agent service completely free through the partner link, you are saving exactly $125 immediately. That is the standard flat rate Northwest charges annually for registered agent representation. Look, getting a 60% discount on the upfront formation is fantastic, but getting a premium, legally required recurring service completely waived for the first 365 days, that is where the real financial leverage is for a startup trying to optimize its cash flow.
Moving right along to Section 3, the Active May Code. While partner links absolutely dominate their discount landscape, finding a typed code is kinda like spotting a unicorn. But there's one major exception in the wild right now if you're looking for standalone services rather than a full business formation. Enter BizReport 40. It's one of the rare alphanumeric promo codes actively circulating in May 2026, exclusively promoted via the business publication BizReport. Why does this exist? Most likely a major publication like BizReport negotiated a specialized, targeted deal specifically for their entrepreneurial readers. So, if you happen to find a promo code field during a specific checkout flow, this is the exact string of text you need to deploy. Punching in this specific May 2026 code will successfully discount your standalone filing and licensing services by up to 40%. This is literally the perfect tool if you already have your business entity formed and you're just returning to Northwest to handle ongoing administrative chores. To give you some concrete examples, this applies to things like securing your federal employer identification number, your EIN, or filing your mandatory annual state reports, or even handling the newly required federal BOI, the Beneficial Ownership Information Reports. Just type the code in for these standalone services and watch that administrative overhead drop.
Finally, Section 4, Multi-State Volume Discounts, what I like to call the enterprise secret.
Let's explore a built-in discount designed specifically for growing businesses that are expanding their operations across state borders. What's super cool here is that absolutely no codes or special referral links are required for this enterprise tier at all. You just follow the steps and the discount is automatically applied by their system. Step 1. You register your business as a foreign LLC in 5 or more states. Just for clarity, a foreign LLC simply means registering your existing business to legally operate in a state other than the one where it was originally formed. The second you hit that 5-state threshold, Step 2 triggers entirely behind the scenes. Northwest system automatically drops the annual registered agent fee across the board.
Let's run a quick real-world scenario to cement the math on this built-in savings mechanism. Imagine you're an e-commerce brand, right? And you're expanding your warehouse footprint into 5 new states. Normally, the standard renewal rate is $125 per year per state. That would cost you $625 annually just in agent fees. But this automatic trigger lowers that fee to an even flat rate of $100 per year per state. So instead of paying $625, your bill drops to $500 every single year. When you're managing a wide geographic footprint, knocking $25 off every single state renewal compounds into some massive long-term operational savings.
So what does this all mean for you? Whether you're utilizing that $39 partner link to launch a brand new business, or leveraging the active 40% code for standalone administrative filings, or triggering a massive volume discount as you scale nationally, you now have the exact mechanics to optimize your budget right now in May 2026. In business, the financial habits you form on day 1 almost always dictate your survival and success by year 5. So the real question is, are you going to pay the full retail price like everyone else, or are you going to use these exact May 2026 strategies to protect your capital from your very first filing?